what I'm hearing for that video is that your ancestor, they're so happy, they're so proud. Whether you're aware or not, you, as a chosen, as a light worker, starseed, you, shaman, shamaness, high priest, high priestess, working for the divine, I'm hearing, working for this new earth, you're carrying within your DNA very ancestral memories. You carry within yourself some gifts, some talents, some abilities that you inherited from your past life, past incarnations. And also, I'm hearing up to 10 to 12 generation. You carry some genes that are so special and that will make you rich. For some of you that do not know, you unfortunately carry also some wounds. You inherit the cellular structure of your entire 144 lineage. And you are a generational curse breaker. That is why your life has been so difficult. I'm hearing for some of you miserable. This is what you can use as a word to refer. Full of trials and tribulations because it was initiation. You have the power to break these repetitive patterns, toxic patterns that your grandmother, great-grandmother, father used to repeat over and over, destroying, I'm hearing, the health and the wealth of the family. You, as a generational curse breaker, you have the power to cut, break, transmute, transcend, banish out of your system, out of your DNA structure, these wounds, this past memory, these traumas. They're encapsulated within your genes. They turned off or on depending on the situations. And you have the power to work on these wounds. What I'm hearing so strongly is you carry success. You have been wired to transmute it. So yes, at some point, life feels difficult because you wonder when it's going to end. But remember, God, the Most High, prepared you. Every single step you had to go through was to prepare you to achieve this destiny. Every single situation, listen me carefully. Every single situation, I got goosebumps everywhere, you've been through was preparing you to achieve this goal that your ancestors, they knew you would successfully do it. They do not even doubt it, right? They don't doubt it because they just know what we've forgotten, by the way. That's not by random. They know what we have forgotten because when you come here on planet Earth, you just forgotten who you truly were before coming here. You were pure light, love, and truth. And I am here on this planet to help you remember. That's my gift. as a shaman, as a high priestess of the Mahat Justice divine order, creating this new worth. Creating this new worth was a mix between earth and worth and wealth. Helping remember your worth is completely connected to your wealth, your health, your habits, who you truly are, where you're putting your energy. I am here to help you transmute your wounds, your traumas, your memories trapped. I am here through sacred chants to help you unlock this souvenir, trapped emotion out of the subconscious mind to your conscious, to your consciousness, for you to be aware. Because the most important, cutting in profit. Ooh la la, a very powerful deck. Divine Law. I cannot make this up. Yeah. It's time. It's time. I'm hearing. It's time for you to remember who you truly are. It's time to take your power back, your energy back, everything that has been stolen without your consent and permission. Activating full remembrance, because you give talents and abilities, they're going to serve the world. They're going to serve the world. Fire. The prophet is on fire, especially this year of the fire horse. You're going to be successful. That's what I keep hearing. Your DNA carries success, and this year is your year. It's 5-5. A lot of change. A lot of change is coming your way. Through sacred chant, I am harmonizing your frequency to align you with your true authentic self. It means that when you become aware of your trapped emotions, your fears, you become fearless. This is how you achieve the highest vibration, frequency. You're becoming God, aligning with God's source frequency, manifest effortlessly anything that you desire. There is only fear that is separating you from manifesting, because when you're at the core, when you're experiencing the fear from inside, your deepest fear, the one, the biggest, when you jump into it, when you feel it, you're scared of dying, because they plan this matrix on the fear of dying. And when you die again and again and again and again, you become fearless. If you want to dig deeper, you should check my website. I offer the most life-changing experience as a masterclass. You're going to face your subconscious trapped emotions for you to free yourself. This is everything I wish for you. I have the cardinal direction. You are at the most important crossroad of your life. You must choose carefully. Everything, and I'm coming back to initiation. Your initiation, I'm having a confirmation on my phone. The wounds, they were initiation. Now, the prophet is ready to go global. It's time. I send you so much love, light, and truth. And until next time, namaste.